What's up, guys? Jack Tennyson 1 here coming at you, and I have something to show you guys. I usually don't make these types of videos here, but yeah, got a little something interesting to show you guys. It's on my way to Fargo from Lofton, North Dakota, and my Tcase decided to go Bluetooth. Oh yeah, that's a lovely Bluetooth Tcase. SEMA certified. Yeah, beautiful. Well, here's, for those of you who don't know what these Tcases are supposed to look like, here's what they're supposed to look like. This goes to the transmission, and then you got your front here, front drive shaft, and then you got the one for the rear here. And the only thing left on mine is basically this and that. All that's gone. It's quite insane. I have quite a few pieces in the back of the vehicle, but yeah, and this is what's left. So those of you who've never seen what the inside of a Tcase looks like, well, here you go. So in order to fix this now, I got the other Tcase here next to me. I got to take back drive shaft off, the front drive shaft has to come off there, and got to take this part off. And we don't really know what happened to it. We don't really know why it failed or exploded. It was making some odd noises, and it got progressively worse in a matter of 2 minutes, and that's when I pulled over, and right as I hit the rumble strip with my passenger front tire, boom, exploded. Haven't examined extremely close, but I will be doing that here shortly. But it was full of fluid, and didn't have any contaminants in it, so I don't know what. All this is just from when things were moving around, but yeah, that's, it kind of scraped the floor a little bit there. Got some indents and some dents, but nothing major. No major big holes or any huge holes, so that's pretty lucky. But cross member doesn't look bent, really. Drive shaft doesn't look bent, but I am going to make sure it's balanced. The back one didn't fall off or get slammed, so we know the back one's still good, but the front one is the one that I'm concerned about. But so yeah, that's pretty interesting. I've seen it happen, I've experienced it happen, but not on my own vehicles, and well, it just did. So, and this is on a 5.2 V8 96 Grand Cherokee. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how the progress goes on this.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm back. Got the front drive shaft off there, as you can see, hopefully. There's front one off. And then there's no more back one. Took the back one off. So there we go. Back one wet. Now we gotta take off. There's 2 bolts here on the cross member, 2 bolts on the other side, and then I'm not 100% certain, but I believe that these 4 have to come off as well, but I am not 100% certain, so I will let you guys know about that. And then after that, it should be easy from there. Another thing you want to do is disconnect that, and then hopefully I didn't mess up this line too. I don't think I did, but yeah, just disconnect that, disconnect this as well, and then you might have to disconnect that. I kind of doubt it though. Sorry for the falling mud. And well, I don't have to disconnect this because it's already been disconnected, but usually you would have to disconnect that shift linkage there. Oh yeah, this thing took a crazy toll. Holy hell. And then we'll examine this too when we have it off, but for right now, that's what we're looking at. I'll come back when I'm done with all that.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Tcase is still right here. The old one's sitting there. I made quite a mess getting it out. There's the transmission. And now we just got to reverse all the steps and put the new one in. Should be easy. The top 2 nuts were a pain, but once we get those 2 in, everything else should go quick. But yeah, there's whatever's left of that Tcase. So we'll get it in and we'll show you the end.
20 minutes later.
Right now, just got the old Tcase out, and front drive shaft's a little dick. And there's leftover, and then there's a new one. Now I just gotta fill with fluid, and then we're gonna test drive it. Oh yeah.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, you should be ready to test out now. Just filled it with some fluid. Kind of made a mess, but recommends ATF plus 4 and recommends 1.2 to 1.5 quarts. So have some leftover just in case, but now we're ready to test it out.
Later.
Alright guys, well, Tcase works, and just to show it to you, well, I'm in park, it's not moving anywhere, and then I'll drive. We're moving. Reverse. There's reverse. System ready. Moving. And there you have it.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright guys, so here was the actual cause of the problem. I don't know if you'll be able to see that very well, but if you look down in there and hear this. At first we thought, oh, this is just the aftermath of the Tcase going. This is caused from the Tcase, but turns out this was actually what caused the Tcase to go. This double joint decided it was time to go. You can hear some nice noises in there. And it catches it every once in a while too, so it doesn't turn very well. But yeah, it's pretty destroyed inside. It looks like somebody just took the double joint apart and tried to shove that part in a blender, basically. That's how I sum it up. But here's what's left of the Tcase. Some pieces. Yeah. Get a good look-see in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it though. That's what's left of the Tcase. So it turns out Tcase wasn't the actual issue. This is just the aftermath of the issue. The front drive shaft was the actual issue. So would have been nice to catch that sooner. That way I could have just got a different drive shaft and been alright. But oh well.